An oasis. Think she got thirsty?
Mole rats actually don't drink. They get all the water they need from their food.
Oh, well maybe she stopped to rest. Let's ask around. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen this mole rat?
Yeah. I seen her.
When?
She passed through a little while ago. She was wearing a real fancy hat. Looked brand new.
A fancy hat? Like a tiara?
No, I'd say it was more like a crown. Like the one the mole rat queen herself wears. Yeah, just like that one.
Excuse me.
Sorry. I thought I saw a bug.
So the princess got a new crown. But where's she going with it?
Agent?
You've gotta stop doing that.
Her Highness requests a report on the whereabouts of the princess.
We haven't found her. Yet.
Please hurry, Agent. I fear she may not last much longer out here. What with all the enemies of our people lurking about? Oh, my tubers! Whoa! See what I mean?
Wow. Good thing the mole rat's tunnels stretch all the way out here. I can't believe we're still standing over the palace.
Hang on. Sam.
Huh?
I think I know where the princess is going. Come on! We know the princess left alone, and that she was last seen wearing a crown. Now, the princess must be heading past the boundaries of the palace.
Okay, but why?
Because she wants to start her own mole rat colony. That's why she left alone, and why she was wearing a crown.
Whiskers, that's it. She's going to make her own palace and become a new mole rat queen.
Exactly. But we're not the only ones looking for her. We gotta find her before that hungry owl does.
Which way to the closest palace border?
This way.
And there's the princess! Princess, get to cover! Princess, dig!
She's not gonna make it underground in time.
Oh, yes, she will. Cluebot, dig!
Creature cases.
We have the island surrounded with our Cluebots. Everything they see, we can see too. They're watching the vines, the surface of the water, and even the air.
If anything tries to swing, swim, or fly onto the island, our Cluebots will spot it.
So, what do we do now?
Now, we wait.
I hear it coming.
Huh? But the Cluebots didn't see anything.
What in the woolly world? My fruities!
How did it get onto the island without being seen? This doesn't make any sense.
If it's not coming by land, or air, or the water's surface, it must be coming from...
Under the water. Cluebot, go!
If it's under there, we'll find it.
What was that? It looked like it was walking along the bottom.
Whatever it is, it's moving fast.
I can't watch. Where'd it go?
Cluebot! What happened? What was that thing?
Look, Sam. Fang marks. That was definitely the fruit thief.
So that's how it's been getting onto the island, going underwater.
It's back for more.
Over there.
Wait, now the noises are coming from that way.
It's always one step ahead of us.
So let's not take any steps. Stand very still, Kit, and listen.
There!
water.
Gotta borrow this. Woohoo! Ha! Got him.
Careful, Kit. We don't know what we're dealing with here. It could be... The mouse deer?
Huh?
Oh, hey guys! Did you find that fruit thief yet?
I think we just did. The creature cases. Oh no! Cluebot, go!
Whoa! Thanks for the lift.
Snowball, you're the missing camper we've been looking for.
I am? But weren't you looking for someone with brown fur? Wait, my fur changes to brown for half the year. Oh, how did I forget that?
Your fur changes color.
Uh-huh. When the temperature changes, it causes some animals to change the color of their fur, like weasels, caribou,
And snowshoe hares, so they can blend in with the tundra in the winter and the forest in the spring.
Oh, wow! Is it spring already? I was wondering why I was so warm.
And look, the warmer temperature has made you even more brown.
Uh-oh, that wolf is still after me. How will I blend into the snow like this?
Let's head back to the snowshoe hares camp.
It's too far. We won't make it.
Maybe we don't have to go all the way back. Come on. Now to find the right spot. There! Half brown, half white, just like your fur.
Perfect!
That wolf will never see you now. Snowball, other way.
Huh? Whoopsie.
Here he comes. Snowball, hold still.
You two seen a rabbit?
Nope, no rabbits here.
Are you sure you haven't seen a rabbit?
Uh-huh.
We're sure.
Phew!
No rabbits here. Just a perfectly camouflaged snowshoe hare. Nice job, Snowball.
Thanks for your help, agents!
Come on, time to get you back to camp.
Creature cases.
Come on, let's catch up with those wolves.
Sam, look out for that eye.
Huh? Come on! Phew! Huh? Look! We've almost caught up with them!
Hey, wolves! We need to talk to you!
They can't hear us! We gotta get closer!
Hey, where did they go?
Uh-oh.
Why are you following us?
Easy now. We're just looking for our friends.
I don't suppose you've seen the Mice Squad? The Mice Squad?
The Mice Squad are here?
Oh, you've heard of them.
Heard of them? We're like their biggest fans.
Yeah! I still can't get over how amazing their new song is!
We haven't seen them, but let us know if you find them.
I'd love to get their autograph. Later, dudes!
Picture cases. Cluebot, scan for falling trees. This is a map of all the trees that have fallen in the forest. And there are even more falling now in that direction.
So the root nibbler must be tunneling that way.
And fast. We'd better get moving.
Thanks for your help.
Good luck, agents. Well, back to chewing that tree.
We're almost there. The last few trees fell right around here.
Sam! Whew, you okay?
Kit, look, another burrow.
Looks like a fresh one, too. Same teeth and claw marks as before. Look at this mound. It's all lumpy, and the entrance is off to the side. There's only one animal who burrows like that. A pocket gopher.
Stop right there.
Gotcha! Or not.
Over there. Ouch!
We'll never catch her this way.
But maybe we can beat her at our own game. If we send Cluebots down into the gopher's tunnels, we can chase her out and catch her.
Ready when you are. Keep it up, Sam! You're gaining on her!
Can't catch her. She's too fast.
Sam, you can do this. Remember what you said. You just have to stay focused.
Stay focused. Get ready, kids. Cluebots, double team.
Gotcha!
Yes!
Creature cases.
Come on.
There are the elephants.
And there's a dung ball.
Okay, already.
Giraffe Dung, all right. It's the one we're looking for. But how did it get here?
Come on! Hey! I'm clear!
That's how. It must have rolled down the hill. Then these elephants kicked it away.
Well, we better get it before it gets squished. Hey!
Excuse us. That ball you're using is...
Oh, look at that. Coming right way.
After it!
Better call for backup. Requesting assistance from all nearby Clade agents.
Bill! Jill! Hey, guys!
Stinkwells. Oopsie.
Okay, everybody, get that dung ball!
There it is! The goal! She shoots! Score!
Come on, now's our chance.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah.
I got it! Huh?
Wow, what was that?
Over there!
Split up. We got it.
We don't trust it.
Whoa.
I see it.
Get this off here!
heading for that cliff.
Oh no! It'll splat like a pancake!
Don't worry. We will get it.
We got this.
Sorry, guys.
It's up to you now.
Come to get Giraffe Dung. Oh no!
My turn.
You gotta grab it!
Gotcha.
Nice one.
Great catch, Sam.
The creature cases.
Excuse us, ma'am.
Who's there? Stay back!
Easy. We're here to help.
Help me? How?
We noticed that you have some algae growing over your eyes.
So what if I do? I mostly live in the water. That's where I'm trying to go now. But I'm lost!
We understand. But what if we remove some of that algae for you so you can see where you're going?
Get rid of all this algae? I mean, I would like that.
We promise not to hurt you. Just try to stay calm.
I'll try. Sometimes when I'm on land, I get a little snappy.
Don't worry. It'll be just like getting a haircut.
I've never had a haircut before.
Ma'am, we're highly trained in giving haircuts.
My partner Sam here is going to take a few steps towards you.
What was that?
Easy. It's just a twig.
Now, Sam's just going to lift up the algae
Hello.
and trim it away. Nice and slow. Careful, Sam. Those jaws could take off your finger.
Now you tell me.
Just keep still, ma'am. You're doing great.
It kind of tickles. I can't hold still much longer.
Deep breath. He's almost finished.
I can't help it. I'm a snapping turtle. I snap when I feel nervous.
Hurry, Sam. Just relax and hold the snap in.
I'm trying.
Just a little more. There.
Phew. Oh. Hey, thanks. I can see again.
And I didn't lose any fingers.
Thanks for helping me. Even after all the trouble I caused, I'm not a mean turtle. I was just scared.
You don't have to worry. We understand what you were feeling.
And we're happy we could help.
Creature cases.
Sorry!
I don't get it. Every time we follow the signal one way, it goes another. It's like it's in two places at once.
That's impossible. Unless... Whiskers, that's it. It's not one signal, it's two. But what does it mean?
Better split up and find out. Nice try. I'm right on your tail.
Where'd he go? All I see is a bunch of logs. That's no log, that's... Captain Conway the crocodile!
Agnes the alligator.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Hold up. What's that in your teeth?
This thing, it's been bugging me all day.
The Mice Squad satellite!
Where's the satellite, Conway?
No evidence, no crime.
The satellite. It was you! Also...
I have no idea how that got there.
Kid, I can't believe it, but my detective instincts were wrong. It was the crocodile.
But Sam, I think you were right all along. It was the alligator.
Huh?
All right, so we were both right. It must have happened like this.
They both chomped the van at the same time, and they both bit off a chunk of the satellite.
Actually, I chomped it first.
Only 'cause your big old tail was blocking my way. I thought I was chomping into something tasty, not something that'd get stuck in my teeth.
Or give me a bellyache.
That explains the two tail trails.
And why we both saw something different. Thanks, guys.
Another creature case closed. Check out some of the other creature cases videos on the channel.